Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install Learnable Meta extension for Geoguessr. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. So the first step what you need to do here, you need to go to learnablemeta.com and then you need to press on Learn More. Then you need to select your browser and then you just need to complete these steps. And so I will show you step by step how you can do that. So first go to Chrome Web Store, add to Chrome Temper Monkey. Once Temper Monkey is added to your computer, then press on the three dots here, then press on Manage Extensions. And then here, make sure on the top right, Developer Mode is enabled. Go to Details, and then make sure Allow User Scripts is enabled as well. Next step, go to learnablemeta.com, press Install User Script, and then press this link here. And then press Install Geoguessr Learnable Meta. Install it, and that's what you need to do here. And now guys, when you play Learnable Meta here on Geoguessr, on Community Maps, you can see that explanation will pop up. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.